Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we ensure the product assembly of our WH-NUDRESTAB. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For the first step, you require one part B, one part C, part CL, part CR, 6 part number 15, the screws. You can use a Phillips screwdriver or a power tool. Let's assemble. For part B, we're going to be using part CL and you'll be using the first hole. For the next step, we require our previous assembly, part B and C, 2 part Fs, 8 part number 5 the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require a previous assembly, 1 part D, the big board, 1 part E, part H and I, 8 parts number 5 the screw, 9 parts 3 the wooden dowels, and 6 part number 12 the feet. You'll also require a hammer, that's for the wooden dowels and for the feet. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require previous assembly, part V, and 3 parts 13 the screw. This is simple. See that there is a grooves here. For the next step, require previous assembly. Part A, the board. 9 parts number 1. 8 parts 3. And part number 10. Let's assemble. Let's start off with part 10. When assembling, the magnet must be facing outside. For the next step, you require 9 parts number 2, the lockers, and a Phillips screwdriver. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 1 part K, 2 part O's, 1 part P, 4 parts 3, 4 parts number 5. Let's assemble. For the next step, require 1 part L, 2 part M's, 4 part number 5, and 4 part 3. Let's assemble. For the next step, require previous assemblies. 2 parts number 4, 3 parts number 3. Let's assemble. For the next step, require previous assemblies. 2 parts N, 8 parts number 6, 4 parts 3. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require 1 part G, the board, 1 part 7, 1 part 8, 1 part 9, 1 part 17, the handle. Let's assemble. Start off with number 9. For your next step, you require a previous assembly, 2 part J's, 8 parts 11. Let's assemble. You'll see that these are height adjustable, so we're just going to put them in the middle. For the next step, we require parts Q, parts S, parts T, 4 parts 1, 4 parts 2. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part U, part R, 4 parts 14 screws. Let's assemble. Part U. For the next step, you require a previous assembly, parts DL, DR, 4 parts 15. Let's assemble. Next, we'll be installing the drill. For the next step, you require part number 16, the anti-tipping. Please refer to our manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you for watching the pro assembly of our WH-NUDRESTAB. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our pro assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.